The crisis continuing to tighten its grip on the country, the opioid epidemic. Nearly 110,000 people died from the drugs in 2022. That's now the highest number of overdose deaths in 1 year ever recorded in the United States. That number is part of preliminary data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Much of the blame is being put on fentanyl. It's a synthetic opioid up to 50 times more potent than heroin and 100 times more stronger than morphine. Fentanyl can be added to other drugs because of its extreme potency, and it makes the drugs cheaper, more powerful, more addictive, and ultimately more dangerous.
And it's making its way into our neighborhoods, even schools. The latest instance happening at a Virginia elementary school where 2 people were arrested after 5 children were sickened by fentanyl-laced gummies.
And that brings us back home tonight, where public health leaders in Racine County are sounding the alarm on an increase in suspected opioid overdoses. Fox 6's Jason Calvi walks us through the crisis.
Our overdose rates are just through the roof this year.
For the 20th time this year, Racine County issues an overdose spike alert. Compare that with 5 alerts in all of 2022. The spike's triggered when overdose rates are above average compared with the same time in past years.
It is really difficult to look at it from the stance that we have this huge fire to put out. We do need to prevent it from happening in the future, too.
The county reports a 73% increase in suspected opioid overdoses, comparing the past 4 weeks with the same time last year. It reports 6 suspected overdoses just this week. The county played this warning video on social media, gas stations, and movie theaters, and the county offers free help.
It's fentanyl still. We're seeing a lot of fentanyl.
These test strips can show if drugs have possibly deadly fentanyl in it.
The Racine County Behavioral Health Department, as well as the City Health Department, are offering Narcan. Before you can take it home, they'll give you training. This is a tester here, and what you do if somebody does have symptoms of a drug overdose, you put it in their nose, and then
the symptoms to look out for: pale face, limp body, blue or purple lips or fingernails, vomiting, gurgling noises, can't be awakened, breathing slows or stops. For years, we've been sharing the startling data. They aren't just numbers.
I miss her. I just want everybody to know that regardless of her using drugs, that she was a good person.
They're your friends, your family, even your children. In Racine County, Jason Calvi, Fox 6 News.
You can get Narcan and test strips free at places across the region, including where Jason's said in Racine County. If you want a list of those 2 addresses, just check out this story on the Fox 6 News app.
And if you or someone you know is struggling with drug addiction, there are resources for you. We also have those at fox6now.com. You can always call the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. That number's at the bottom of your screen. It's 1-800-662-4357, and the calls are always confidential.